How to send Google Form in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Google Form on WhatsApp in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head over to the Google Forms and sign in with your account. And once you are inside the Google Form, choose the form that you want to share. And once you have opened the form, simply click on Publish button at the top, and after publishing your Google form, you can simply click on the copy icon and copy the URL link. And once you have copied the link of your Google form, simply open the WhatsApp on your desktop or mobile and paste the copied link into the chat and send it to anyone that you want to send. And that's it. That's how you can easily send a Google form via WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.